Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with a haul for you guys. This is a Tuesday morning haul. I'm just clearing out some space so I can show you what I got. I didn't get a whole lot. I feel like this was maybe a light week for Tuesday morning for stuff because I've been looking on the internet, on YouTube, and I haven't seen people with a lot of crazy good stuff. But some of the stuff, of course, they didn't have at mine. I think there must be somebody who is cleaning it out before I get there. Probably so. But I feel like My Mind's Eye has gone ahead and they have cleared out some of their stuff to Tuesday morning, because I had done a My Mind's Eye box, warehouse box, last year or 6 months ago or something to that effect. It was a pretty good box. And I didn't get the Meow paper, but I got the Meow like brads, and I got the Meow die cuts or something. I got a couple pieces of it. And the same with whatever I hauled the other day that was a My Mind's Eye. And I saw someone else with a Hooray My Mind's Eye paper and accessories kit that they got from Tuesday morning. So I think that that's what they did. They cleared theirs out. But this is a really nice kit. You can do something nice with this. It's 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock, plus you get a sticker sheet. And it's only $2.49. Really good deal. They say the estimated value of $8.99. So that is, I think, a great bargain. I broke down and got, I usually don't like to buy these big paper pads. This one's Dear Lizzie. I would probably buy Maggie Holmes, but they never have it when I'm there. Just because it's hard to kill these. These aren't double-sided. So depending on what kind of project you do, you got to be mindful of the fact that it's not double-sided. So if I do like a traveler's notebook and I want to laminate it, I got to cover both sides. So I just have to keep that in mind. But these are the papers, and I really like the fact that they were foiled. It's a lot of foiled papers, which is one of the reasons why I wanted it. I also really liked the colors. I thought, especially with the fruit and the bicycles and the little farmhouse kind of thing, it felt very summery to me. So I kind of want to make summer projects, even though these clocks are kind of odd. I don't get that, but it's Stargazer, so I don't know. But anyway, $6.99. And if anyone's interested in the code on this, it's 1988803. So I did get that. I got this. This has been there for a little while, I think, but I think that I didn't get the hearts. I'm going to have to double check and see. But this is $4.99. This is the Dinah Wakely mixed media hearts and the stencil. So that's a really good deal. The number on this is 1950821. So I'm excited about that. And then I got another mixed media type stamp to use in my art journal just for some texture. And this is $2.99. It's Bo Bunny, and the number for this is 1976929. I really, really like this kind of brick look. So, and then I've got this one that was like a freebie somewhere, but it kind of reminds me of that a little bit. So, got that one. And then I got another one of these punches. Now, when I was in Hobby Lobby, I swear to you, I saw they had a whole bunch of these punch and stamp sets, and they were $17.99 full price. $17.99. They're saying the estimated value is $12.99. I swear to you, I saw it at my Hobby Lobby for $17.99 full price for the stamp set along with the punch. So for $4.99, it's a really good deal. So I ended up getting this one. It makes like a flower, and I just kind of like this little leafy thing. I think this would be really cute punched out, you know, on a card or something. So I got that. The number for this, if anyone is interested, is 1986515. And then I ended up getting this as well. $4.99, normally $14.99 is what it's saying. It's Momenta. This is one of those stamp and emboss. So the ones that you see, I don't know which ones they are, but one of them punches out, and then the other one, it's like every other one, embosses. So it's $4.99. The number on this is 1986518. And then, get this bag out of my way. These, I like to get these because these are fun to use on various projects. This was 99 cents, which is right up my alley. And the number on this is 1967275. I did get these doilies. Every once in a while, I like to buy some doilies and have them on hand. I'm sure I can get these cheaper. These were $1.99, but, you know, Valentine's Day, you can get them at Dollar Spot for super cheap. So anyway, I got the ephemera. These were $1.99. This is the, it's like a girl one. I forget which one this is. Oh, Petticoats and Pinstripes. It's right on there. And so $1.99. It's 1853764. That's not a bad deal. I did get these, even though they were $2.99. They're these really hard. They're silicone topped paper clips. And I'm going to be doing some summer projects, so I went ahead and picked them up. 1954736. They're not super steel, but I think to get these hard ones, they're more expensive. And then I got these Heidi Swap. They're like puffy stickers. They're 99 cents. I love 99 cents. And so those are really cute in Smashbook or whatever. And so the last thing that I got, and this one, there was a lady in there who was picking up a bunch of stuff. And she didn't see this there, but I never get these. I never find these great, cool We Are Memory Keepers dies. And they had the mason jar die. I was so excited because I've been wanting it. And it's $4.99. The number is 1929995. It was the only one there. I didn't see anything else like it. I was super, super excited to get it just because I never, ever see it there. So I'll have to cut it out and see how that looks. But I was just excited that they had something kind of different that I was interested in getting. So anyway, that was my haul. I have a couple more things coming to share with you guys. Just hasn't come yet. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy's Creating with the Heart.